Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's DIY is some jewelry organizers. So what you're going to need to start with is some crafting sticks and some glue. Both of these that I used in this video you can buy at your local Dollar Tree. Taking your crafting sticks and then putting some glue on either end. This will make a wood panel or a palette pattern, giving space in between your crafting sticks depending on what you want to put onto each set. I chose for this one to put my hook earrings, so I needed quite a bit of space in between each of the crafting sticks. As a side note, if you want this to dry a little bit faster, you can also use hot glue, though I have a little bit of trouble with hot glue sticking as I live in a southern state and the heat kind of gets to the hot glue. But if you want it to dry faster so that you have it quicker, you can always use hot glue. Depending on the glue that you chose, you might have to wait about 12 hours for it to dry. I waited overnight for mine to dry and it was cured by morning, and then I started painting it with my desired color, let it dry for about another 25 to 30 minutes, and it was done. Choosing what you want to put on each panel is important. That way you know how far to space out each of your crafting sticks. For larger hook earrings, I recommend a larger space depending on what you want to hook on it, or you can use these same panels to put hoop earrings on and hang it from the top. You can also set them up and lean them up against a wall or a jewelry armoire if you wish. I wasn't a huge fan of this design, but if you would like to see this made, then let me know in the comment section down below and I will make a video completely based around this. Other than that, once the panels are all painted, they're ready to put your jewelry on and it's completely organized. For the last project is a necklace organizer. What you're going to need is a wooden dowel, some floral wire, and some pliers. Taking the wooden dowel after you've painted it or colored it any way that you would like, you don't actually have to color it if you like the pale wood design, and the floral wire to make little hooks on it. Starting with the hook that will actually hold the necklace, curling it up slightly. Make sure that you measure it compared to the ones that you've made before so they don't end up looking all misshapen and uneven. And then wrapping it around the wooden dowel and cutting it about the same length as the previous ones so that you can wrap it tightly around the rod without it falling off. Once you have the hooks all made, next you're going to want to attach them. Depending on if you want to use a hanging rope to hang them up or use the same floral wire to make a pin, you just do the same process and leave a small hole in the center of the hooks and turn it sideways so that you can hook it onto thumbtacks or some other way to hang it up. Once you're ready to start clamping on the actual hooks, you're going to want to take the longer end, wrap it around the wooden dowel, and then crimp it on with the pliers so that it doesn't slide around. As you can see on the other one, I decided I wanted to put these onto a hook or nail base, just pushing it right on through the actual twisted wire on either end. I decided to hang this one up, as you will see in just a second, by tying some jute on either end and then hanging it up on a thumbtack on my wall. And then it's done. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and comment down below if you've ever made anything like this before, if you're going to now. Thanks for watching!